Hey everyone, John Showalter here, Customer Success Coach with Bright. Today I want to give you a quick tip on using the Latitude Longitude option in new listing management. And once you click on New Draft within the main screen of Listing Management, you'll select your property type. It'll then take you to this screen where you'll see this option for Latitude and Longitude. You also obviously have the ability to add an address or tax ID. We'll select this option. We'll open up a new tab for Google Maps. Find the address you're looking for. In this case, I'm just going to use an example for one of these properties right here. We'll right click on that property that you want to use the coordinates for, or if it's land, find that piece of land on Google Maps as well. We'll select this coordinate option, open up a new tab, we'll paste this. We'll go ahead and copy this first value and then paste that into the longitude field. We'll then come back and grab that second value and paste that into the second option here. So now you'll scroll down, you'll be able to see that address populated and that pin dropped on the map. Again, helpful for if you're working with land or just an address that coordinate is not, or that pin drop is not exactly being placed where you want it. So anyways, that's just your quick tip for using the latitude longitude feature in new listing management experience. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out. We are always happy to help.